ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 93, ஸ்லோகா 2. க்ஷுத்ருஷ்ணா லோபமாத்ரே சததக்ருததியோ ஜந்தவः சந்த்யனந்தாः தேப்யோ விஜ்ஞானவத்வாத் புருஷ இஹ வரஹ தஜ்ஜனிர்துர்லபைவ தத்ராப்யாத்மாத்மனः ஸ்யாத் சுஹ்ருதபி ச ரிபுः யஸ்த்வயி ந்யஸ்தசேதாः தாபோச்சித்தே ரூபாயம் ஸ்மரதி சஹி சுஹ்ருத் ஸ்வாத்மவைரி ததோன்யஹ. Word by word meaning. க்ஷுத்ருஷ்ணா லோப மாத்ரே. க்ஷுதஹ த்ருஷ்ணாயாஹ ச லோபஹ சமனம். Satisfaction of hunger and thirst alone. Satata kritadhiyaha, who are always intent on. Jantavaha, creatures. Anantaha, santi, are innumerable. Iha, in this world. Vijnana vatvat, because of his having the faculty of discrimination. Purushaha tebhyaha varaha, man is superior to them. Tajjanihi, that human birth. Durlabha eva, is indeed difficult to get. Tatra api, even among men. Atmanaha, atma suhrit, one is one's own friend. Api ripuhu cha syat, and also the enemy of oneself. Yahatvayi nyasta chetaha, he who with mind absorbed in thee. Tapochittehe upayam, the means of removal of all sorrows. Smarati, thinks of, seeks. Saha hi suhrut, he alone is his own friend. Tataha anyaha atmavairi, anyone else is his own enemy. Full meaning. There are any number of creatures whose only interest is in the satisfaction of hunger and thirst alone. In this world, man is superior to them because he has the faculty of discrimination. Such a human birth is indeed very difficult to get. Among human beings also, one is one's own friend as well as one's own enemy. He who with mind absorbed in thee seeks the means of eradication of the sorrows of this transmigratory existence is his own friend. Anyone else is his own enemy. Note: Atmaiva hyatmano bandhuhu atmaiva ripuratmanaha. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verse 5. Om Tat Sat.